Now sit right back and you hear a tale of a fateful trip that started with this pedophile and of course his tiny dick. His mate was a man named Epstein and he liked them young for sure. They brought young girls up on their boat for a 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour. Then Trump, he started getting rough and got his mushroom tossed. But if not for the courage of these young girls, the story would be lost. The story would be lost. The ship struck ground on the shore of that deserted pedo isle with Dershowitz and Donald Trump, some billionaires and their wives, and Elon Musk. Just kidding, because he's too weird here on Pedophile Isle.